Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to download and install ExpressVPN on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, the right way, the easy way, and without running into any of those dependency errors. Whether you're new to Linux or you just switched from Windows, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. Ubuntu 24.04 is fast, secure, and privacy-focused. But when you add a VPN like ExpressVPN, you get encrypted internet traffic protection on public Wi-Fi access to geo-restricted content and extra privacy from ISPs and trackers. And yes, ExpressVPN has full support for Ubuntu. To download ExpressVPN, just go to the download page and it will automatically detect that you are on Linux, so just click on download. Now let's install it. First, go to your downloads folder and open it in a terminal. Now run the installer using this command. Enter your Linux device password to continue with the installation. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated ExpressVPN on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Just sign in if you already have a subscription or sign up and purchase one. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Linux and Ubuntu tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.